Hi, it's Alan Mendelson, and with me is Tom, Senior Tax Resolution Specialist here. And we want an update on what's going on with that $80 billion that the IRS is getting. What is going on?
Well, yeah, they're hiring all these new agents. It's passed at record speed, went through Senate, House, and the president's desk.
And they're hiring agents.
They are actively hiring and training. So taxpayers, you may have noticed, you might be getting more notices in the mail because they are starting to catch up now on the manual notices.
So they're catching up on the notices. They're catching up on the audits. They're catching up on taking action. And that's what those new 87,000 agents that they're going to be hiring are going to be doing.
That's exactly correct.
So how much time have you got to get in under the wire before the window closes and they've got more agents and they have open cases?
That's an excellent question, Alan. So the IRS isn't going to issue how many agents are hiring or training. So on our end, I'm trying to just enroll as many taxpayers as humanly possible before all of these agents hit. I mean, no matter what industry you're in, you're dealing with some kind of compliance, and you know what it's like, having that person watch over your shoulder is just going to
working and on the phones and in front of their computers. It's going to get tax resolution.
Well, they're just not tougher to get tax resolution. It's good. The process just is going to take longer. They're going to ask more questions because they're not as skilled or as versed. So they're going to ask more questions. They're going to request more documents. So if you have a notice, if you have a tax problem, you want to call now. You want to call as soon as possible and just get this taken care of. Stop thinking about it.
It sounds to me like if you take care of it now, before all these new agents come on working, that you're going to have an easier time getting a resolution, getting a deal with the IRS. Is that what you're telling me?
Exactly.
All right.
Just get it done. Get it done and off your plate.
A lot of people have not filed a tax return.
Yes.
What do they do? Because, should they call? What's going on?
That's another great question, Alan. If you haven't filed, it's even more imperative that you do call, because the IRS, what they will try to do is file on your behalf. It's called a forced filing or an SFR, substitute for return. You do not want that. And I'm happy to go over, all the things that can trigger, but none of them are good for you, the taxpayer. So
I'll tell you why, because when the IRS files a return for you, they don't give you the tax breaks that you would get if you filed yourself.
Yeah, exactly.
That's it.
You're basically at the highest tax rate. You're getting the most penalties. And you can't get a currently non-collectible status, on and on. None of this you want.
They're not going to give you the deductions that you would take by yourself. They're not going to give you the credits that you could get. They're going to go for the blood.
Exactly.
They're going to take income only and forget about all the deductions and all the credits and all the exemptions.
And even if you have 10 unfiled tax years, which I get that all the time, every week, that's fine.
Really?
We can take care of that. Just handle it. You waited 10 years. Let's get it done today.
All right. Get it done today. Clear up your case. Clear everything up before the new agents go to work.
Exactly.
Tom, give your phone number again.
949-359-0810. Again, remember, Tom Like Taxes. I am so happy to help you out. Call before it's too late, 949-359-0810.
Thanks, Tom.